Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening the system settings because that's where the network name lives. On Windows, press Windows key, then type Settings and open Network and Internet. On Mac OS, click the Wi-Fi icon or System Preferences Network. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and you're near the router to see nearby SSIDs. For mobile, open Settings Wi-Fi. If prompted, enter admin credentials. That unlocks advanced details and prevents guessing the wrong network. Next, inspect both the active connection and saved network list so you can identify the correct SSID. On Windows, click the Wi-Fi icon to see the active SSID and go to Manage Known Networks for saved entries. On Mac OS, look under Wi-Fi or Advanced to view preferred networks. On mobile, view saved networks. Compare names to the SSID printed on your router. If they match, you've found your network. If not, look for similar names or previously used aliases. Finally, confirm the network name by checking the router's label or logging into its admin page at the gateway IP. That shows the configured SSID. If the SSID isn't visible, restart the router and your device, then scan for networks again. Make sure Wi-Fi is not hidden. If it is, manually enter the SSID and password. If problems persist, reset Wi-Fi settings or consult the router manual. Resetting will remove saved networks, so use it only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.